Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So firstly, let's enter the dialer, and it doesn't really matter if it will be on your favorites, recents or the contacts. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got a block numbers option, so let's enter. Now in order to add a number, just tap on this option, and as you can see here we've got the keypad, so now we can freely enter the number we want to block and tap on block if you are ready. As you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on we won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Obviously you can unblock it, you can remove it from the blacklist just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Now let's tap on unblock in order to confirm, and as you can see here we've got the info that the number has been unblocked successfully. So well, actually that's all. This is how to easily block a number in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.